Hi, this is Corbin. I'm going to be doing the song called The Bells Ring Out on my keyboard. It's part 2 of Easiest Piano Course. Yeah, and now we will be doing it. Okay, so here we go. You place your hands like this. Most songs are like this, but no, this time it's this. We will also be using a sharp F. In one of my songs, I used sharp B with this hand. But today I will be using this one. So here I go. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Please watch more of my videos, and I'll see you next time on another one of my videos. Bye.